A very good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to one and all. In whatever time zone or in whatever time you are watching this video, I hope you are doing well, and I even hope that you are making yourself a better person than yesterday. Because you know that learning by improvement is the essence of life. Moreover, it is the only key for the success. As you know that today is the date 4th October, correction, 4th November 2020. So as you know that the sequence of today's discussion would be like, firstly we will discuss SRT, and thereafter we will discuss TAT, and there will be a discussion on uh, as well one picture, the SRT of yesterday. The query has been asked by one of the candidate, and thereafter there is also WAT. And for all those people who have not attempted it yet on the Telegram channel, they are requested or suggested that you can attempt the WATs in the comment section, as well as you can also attempt this portion in our Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel is @ SSB for life. So these are WAT, this is SRT, and this is our TAT section, right? One just small information that we have changed to our new format, because just for the 2 or 3 days, because there is a issue, technical glitch which has came in our laptop, so that's why we are not able to make the slides for the time being. So kindly adjust for at least 3 or 4 days. We doesn't know that when our laptop will be resolved, or it may get repaired. It will take a little bit more time, but yes, we will never leave our discussion. So we will start our today's discussion. For those who don't know about our channel, this is our channel @ SSB for life. This is one, and you can easily find this channel. I hope everyone has attempted the SRT. We will move on to first SRT of the day. He was to appear for an exam, and all of a sudden the curfew was imposed in that area. He contacted the police authorities, went on private vehicle and showed the security, I think showed the security personnel the hall ticket. I think there is a spelling mistake, and the hall ticket, and attended DED, right? You can ignore the spelling mistakes. Attended the exam. Yes, this is the correct answer, because whenever there is a curfew, right, you are supposed to show your ID card as well as the admit card. You can also add on one thing here. When he was showing, when he went to security guards, he showed his hall ticket, right? This is the only thing, hall ticket plus you can also show your identity card, that yes, I am the same person who is in the hall ticket. Because whenever there is a curfew, they will allow the people who are going to examination hall, or who are having hall ticket, who are having a special permission for attending the various functions or various events, right? And now 102, he went for the picnic with his friends, and on we had a hot arguments with them. What he did, now this SRT is being given for checking the factor number 2, that is social adaptability. Are you having the compatibility with your friends or not? If tomorrow you get into arguments with your colleagues, with your seniors or juniors, whatever you are you able to resolve it as quickly as possible? So that's why you need to ease down the tension. So it is the correct answer. Ease down tension by cracking a joke and change the topic. Made healthy relationship, you can also add that. 104, just 2 days before his semi-finals of the bridge tournament, his partner was called by his parents and had to go out of station for an urgent work. What he did, so he found another replacement or another pair as partner. They practiced hard with good strategy and won the match. This is a good answer. Now, next, he was rather young when his father was killed in the war, and later mother was kidnapped by the rival group. He had no other relative. He reported the matter. Means that this is the answer. He reported the matter to police station, found the mother because she was kidnapped, studied hard, got the good job, right? Amal has not written this section, so he can improve this part. I have added this. So you also need to complete the objective, because you are still not having that kind of job right now, so you have to get the job and you have to take care of your mother. So you can add this portion, got the job and took care of his mother, right? Otherwise everything is perfect. 108, during examination his teacher threatened him to fail in examination. The first thing is that Amal, you have to add this, right? Because I have edited it. Remove the misunderstanding, because there is a misunderstanding between you and your teacher. That's why he was might be threatening you, right? And thereafter you have studied hard, good, wrote examination, did very well and passed with flying colors, right? Everything is perfect for Amal. These are the SRTs which has been taken from Amal. Now we will go to the discussion part for giving one-to-one feedback for each and every individual or candidate. Whatever the feedback, whatever the answers they have given. First reply goes to, answer go to Victoria. She has attempted it very well. The first is correct. And thereafter the second answer, it is also correct. Third answer is like, you are expecting, right? As you have written that you are having a lot of confidence that your partner will return as soon as possible, but you have also, the SRT is basically given to check, are you only dependent on the person, are you a person who is a problem solver, as well as are you able to resolve the issue in minimum time. So it has clearly been mentioned that he has to go out of station for the urgent work. May possible he may not return. Even if he has gone for an urgent work, you are supposed to have a backup option right now. So in this SRT you are expected to write that you should be having at least one replacement player, means at least one player you should replace and get him, trained and make strategy so that you can win so that you can win the match. So in this way you can proceed. You cannot expect and you cannot have a confidence only on him that he will definitely return back. You cannot be reliable only on one person. Moreover, you cannot have faith, in any person for a very crucial match, semi-final match. Now next, he was rather young. It is correct. Now you can add in 105. You can also add that you later on found the job and supported family. Other SRTs are good enough. Now we will move on to Anjali Jha. She has written, he took admit card, got NOC from the police and went and gave exam. Good. Crack jokes, right? Thereafter substitute she has found and well played, that is very good. Substitute you have to always find. Took help from the cops and get her mother back. It is incomplete answer. Thereafter you have to even support your mother, you have to study hard, work hard, get the job and support your family in the best possible manner. This is the complete answer. It is half answer. 105. Now 108. During exams his teacher threatened him to fail. He gave the paper well. As well as you can remove the misunderstanding between you and your teacher. You can refer back our discussion. We will also discuss the TAT section later on. Right now I am looking for the SRT. Zora. First is correct. 102. Correct. Humor and enjoyed. Social adaptability is strong. 104. You have to also mention that he got a substitute, right? In later stages means at last, means you have explained it here. Explained to partner on the next day when he arrived. Played hurt out. Basically, I think you got the SRT wrong, right? You got the SRT, you perceived the SRT wrong. It has been clearly been mentioned that he had to go out of station for an urgent work. So the day of semi-finals, just 2 days before, I really don't think that the match is just 2 days after from today and he will get back on the same day. This SRT is expected to find out the replacement for your player. So that's why the only thing you have to do is that you have to find out the substitute, do hard work, made strategies, and thereafter you can win the match. Now next, he was rather young. He went to police, cooperated with them, rescued mom, took care of mom, stayed responsible. And you can also do work hard, because since your father is also not there and mother, she is the only person, you have to do hard work, find the job, and you can support the family. He apologized to teacher for differences, revised syllabus, gave his best, and also passed the examination. Objective should always be completed, the task which you have been given, right? Next, the next reply goes to Akriti for the permission. Correct, but you have to also show the ID card, that hall ticket, right? Because I think you are facing this kind of SRT for the first time. In curfew, you always are supposed to take the permission from the police. Always you have to show the ID card plus hall ticket, and thereafter you can get the permission to enter. Now next, 102. I am reading the SRT in my mind, so make sure you also can also read the SRT as fast as possible, because we have already discussed this SRT. The only thing is that I have to review these SRTs in a very quick frame manner. Talk to them about the issue, sorted out. Good. 104. In this 104, you have to also make the strategy planning, and thereafter you can win the match. Firstly, you have to rescue your mother also. Your father was because your father has been kidnapped. He went to government shelter home. Asked firstly, who are the personals to take care? Who are the person who are to take care for the laws and order? Who will catch them? They are the police. So you have to report to the police station. Thereafter, after reporting to the police, you can rescue your mother, and thereafter studied hard, got a job, and in this way you can support your family. Government के पास जाके क्या करोगे आप? Government shelter home, nobody will help you. You are supposed to go to police station. 108. During examination, his teachers threatened him to fail. He apologized if he did anything wrong. I have always told you that no if and but, always be precise, be confident whatever you are writing. If no, if and but, here and there, or these are the languages which actually shows that you are a confused personality. So never try to balance out the SRT with two solutions. Try to always have one solution. You can either write only apologized for the wrongdoing. Firstly, why are you being wrong? I think there can be a misunderstanding between you and your teacher. Because you are always a right person, assume this thing. Convince her not to do such. You will not convince, you will show it by your hard work, right? Because hard work is the key to success, and you cannot give a moral lecture to your teacher. He will automatically be convinced by your action. But the only thing you need to do is do hard work. You can remove the misunderstanding. In this way you can proceed. You can refer back our discussion. Now next, this was all for today's SRTs. Now we will discuss our TAT, thematic apperception test. In this you can see the image in front of you. So all those people who has not attempted it yet, they can even attempt right now, and we will proceed to the discussion with the feedback of candidate. Victoria's story. All the viewers, they can also read the story firstly, because I have read the story already. She is trying to say, Victoria, that she has noticed some illegal activities. Moreover, his cattle on pastures means they had actually seen the illegal activities on the border side or whatever, and Rahul saw that Indian soldiers were passing by. But everything is perfect, story is also correct. But yes, I would like to tell that there is no correlation between your picture as well as the story, because you can easily see that there is a mountain and there is a river going on, and the only correlation between your picture and the story is like you have seen some army personals, right? And nothing else is correlated, because you have to also mention the aura, the environment, the feeling the picture is trying to show. You might have seen the writers, whenever you are reading a novels, you might have seen the aura and the condition, the environment that has been made by the writer, the vibe that has to be created, right? Because you can also mention in this line, there was a troop of soldiers who were passing by the bridge in Jammu and Kashmir Valley when they were passing by the mountain, and when they passed through the bridge, he called them and told them. In this way, matlab, you can write the action part. There is a kind of triggering point which you can add, है ना? And thereafter you can match in this way the story with your picture. Otherwise, the story is good. You are trying to help the Indian Army from resolving the illegal activities. Now, second story you have written that you are complaining about the pasture of means cattle. They had been lost. They didn't came back. The first of all thing I would like to say that have you ever listened this kind of story in any movie or in whatever form you are? The Indian Army role is to protect the country. They are there for protecting the countrymen, not for the cattle and pasture. These are the things which actually can be done by other people also. The first primary job there is to duty and serve the nation. These are the things I really feel that you are not supposed to ask to the soldiers. It's like just like a joke or whatever you can call this. So these are the stories which is not expected out from you. You cannot ask anything for the sake of nation. If they are army personnel, so you cannot ask the answer, the help like this, that you have to search for the cattle. This may even look very good, but yes, they will not deny, they will definitely find out. But these are the story, the purpose for which the Indian Army is over there. We should also not ask this kind of help from them. These are the help which you can also do, which you can ask from other person also. Now the second story reply goes to Ayush Chaudhary. He has written the story about Manali trip. I have read the whole story earlier. I have read after pausing it, and he has written a very good story because it is more or less about the planning, execution, and it is a kind of trip. So you can, because the way I was telling, whenever you have read any story in a novel or whatever, there is a vibe kind of thing, and there is an environment, there is an aura, and he has correctly, you can easily project, it can easily be projected when we need from the words, enjoy the scenic views of the sunrise from the hills, right? These are the keywords which you can see, when the picture, there is a river also going on, so very relaxing sound of the flowing water under the bridge. These are actually showing that the picture is being matched with the story. I would like to suggest Victoria to kindly read this story. You can match. The group also enjoyed the water rafting. The same water rafting, because there is a river, so you can also add this rafting, and made their trip unforgettable. And Manali, this is a hill station, you can see the hill. In this way, you can actually match. So this is a story which is expected out from an aspirant, and it actually shows the naturality, no artificiality. On the spot, he has made the story. In this way, you have to correlate. There is a person whose story is also good, but you have to correlate also. This is the only thing. Now next, I think we will not give the feedback of the previous story. Make sure that you attempt the story on the same day. You might even refer back our story, means the feedback of that day for the same story, for the same picture, above picture, that patrolling one. Now we will go for today's SRT only. Correction, today's TAT only. Anita, Ayush, we will not discuss the previous day's TAT. We will only discuss for today's picture only. Akriti, this is also a story regarding the road trip to Leh. Yes, Leh is a place which can be seen on the mountains, and it was shaking suspiciously. Shows she has complained to the local authorities, and moreover she made a seal on the bridge so that other can be told, or she gave a notice that it can be a dangerous thing. Later the officials came and found the problem and fixed it. Very good answer, very good story. It is correlatable and a more or less practical thing. It is expected. Zora story. I think Zora, she is trying to give the solution about the tree cutting. Correction. Abhi was a forest officer. So finally, what they are trying to do is cleaning up campaign, more or less. And I really feel that plastic management and all those things. Hmm. First of all, I would like to say, yes, it is a good story. I would like to say, but at the same time, it is more or less not correlatable. You can also mention the aura, the river, the mountains, the bridge. Nothing such as such I have found in this story. No keywords, nothing. But yes, story, it is more or less appealing. You are also doing a social job, social activity, but I have always suggested that always try to make a practical story which can be correlatable to you, which you can also do. You are not a person who is a forest officer, you are right now a student. Try to make or try to correlate the story from your own personality, from your uh, own age group. These are the stories which are being made from higher authorities, high officials. The day you will reach, you can make this story very well. This is a very very jolly kind of story. Everyone can make. Hmm? These are not the stories which are of high level. Uh, you have to be always a down to earth, simple, practical story creator. You can refer back the story of other people also, like the people you have like you have saw the story of road trip to Leh and also Manali trip. So in this way you can make the story. There are n number of stories which can be correlated to your life. See yourself that when you have went when you went to hill station and you were walking on the bridge, you can also correlate with the soldiers, because the attire of the people who were going on the bridge was more or less little bit about the army, Indian army soldiers. We will not, Sanket, we will not discuss the story of the past images, TAT images. So if you would have attempted at that particular moment, we would have definitely replied it. So try to be sincere, other people also. Now we will discuss today's doubt session, which was regarding yesterday's session. Victoria has asked a query regarding this SRT. He was traveling by a train. Suddenly, a person snatched a purse from a lady and jumped out of the train. So we have discussed that he told the lady to pull the chain, ran after the person, caught him, handed over to RPF, and returned back the purse to lady and continued his journey. So her query is like, in real life, if someone jumped from the running train, in most cases he get life in his life may get into danger, and maybe his leg may be cut or whatever, means his life will be in danger. Victoria is trying to say this. And moreover, the second doubt is like, is it right to write the hero ran and caught him? It may take the time to stop the train. When we pull the chain, it is not easy to pull the chain till the time train stop. Thief can run, and I think they can have some rules and regulation too. What can so finally we understood the problem. Firstly, Victoria and all those people, firstly, always read the SRT properly. These are the SRTs. Generally, you have to assume it, and you have to always assume whenever you are traveling by a train. If a thief is there, first of all, the first thing is that if a thief is, if he is means snatching any purse or chain, of course he will be on platform. Then only he will be able to snatch it, na. Whenever if the train would have been moving so fast, then how possible, how he would have snatched the train, or how he would have snatched the purse. So generally these kind of thing, generally it happens on the platform only. So you have to assume the majority thing, the majority it happens only on platform. So don't interpret by yourself that it can happen in during the running train. Running train, it it can never happen. So you have to always assume the thing 90% cases that it is on the platform. And the other question was like, will it be dangerous for the man if he is catching the person or the thief who has snatched the purse? You are a leader, you are a leader, you are a hero, and in this SSB, I would like to tell you, these are the replies which are desirable. Are you getting it? These are the answers, these are the replies which is the most desirable. Will you write the answer that I will not help? Then what kind of leader you are trying to show? What kind of leadership qualities you are trying to show? May possible you may or may not do in real life, that is your own choice. But in SSB, the SRT is, they are expecting out a leader who can lead, who can have the courage. There is an OLQ, courage. So courage factor 4 you have to show. You are, because you also have to take the calculated risk. You are you have to equally be, be protective for yourself. You have to run after the, thief and get the designated person, and you have to hand over the person to the RPF. You cannot take the law in your hand. You are not supposed to beat him, but yes, you can hand over that person to the RPF. This all SRTs may or may not be practical, but yes, you are supposed to write, you are ought to write the desirable answer in SSB. Then only you will have a selection, otherwise not. You might have seen many SRTs which are quite impractical in real life, but yes, I agree with that. But SSB is SSB, so there are many things, 90% cases you have to attempt it in the same manner and try to imbibe these qualities as far as possible. And I hope I have cleared the doubt. Even if the doubt remains, you can still ask, right? So this was all for today's session. I hope it was a session you might have liked. If you are liking it, if you want us to continue like this, and so you can share it with your friends, like it, and for the PDF sections you can join this channel, that is @SSB for life. And you always try to make yourself a better person. Try to make a copy in which you are writing down the daily SRTs, WATs and TATs, and in this way by 2 months from now or 3 months from now, definitely you will see yourself a better person. You will feel the change from inside. With this, I wish you all the best. Take care, and we will see you in next session.